Hi everyone, welcome to the fifth lecture of ArcGIS map course. So in today's lecture we will start how to implementing a geodatabase to create to extract the road and extract the river. I have in my catalog, there's in my desktop folders called a new folder. Within the folder I'm going to create the file geodatabase. Okay. You can rename it this one. Click on it, rename. You're gonna just rename it as geodatabase and enter. Click on it. We have created a new feature database. The first feature, I'm gonna name it line. You have to set the coordinate system. This is a general coordinate system for my area. This is in Iraq, and you can use it for over WGS 11948. And if you need more specific for your area, you can go for a projection coordinate system. You choose the specific for your area. So you choose the UTM, what is the North Hemisphere. For me, the general one is enough. So we have 9. Now we create the feature class. A new feature class. The first feature class, I'm gonna name it road. So it's gonna be, this is for road. So my road is gonna be line feature, because only one line finish. So if you check, you can see I need to create feature for this line. So this is my first road, and we have road. Now we can see we have road. Now we can start editing. If this editing is not available, go for customize toolbar, and you will see there is editor. If it's not editor in here, customize toolbar, and you have the edit. You have the editor. When you have the editor, click on editor, start editing. But the box is not showing in here because you have to go for editing windows, create feature, and now we start editing. Now we can start editing for this our line. Go for editor, and editing, create features, road. I select my row is gonna be line, and you can use your keyboard to move up and down, and close this one. Close it, double click on it, and now you go for editor. In the editor you can stop editing. After that you have to save it. When you save it and then you close it, you will have this line. You can check, zoom to layer. So this is the line. As you can check, is not like perfectly, but you have to select, you have to make zoom, very zoom, and select perfectly, and this is the line that we create. This is the for old. You can use this line if, for example, if you don't have any data, you need to cut this road and keep it for your another purpose. You can add it to another map, so you can cut it from raster map and use it for another purpose. And you can check, I have very big river, and is move up and down, so zigzag river. So to do that, you can check I have wide space, so I can use for this purpose I have to use the so we go for toolbox options, catalog, so geodatabase. We're back again to create a new feature database. This feature database, I'm gonna name it like polygon. For this purpose, we will select the same georeferencing system, and then I have the polygon. Click on the polygon, and go for a new feature class. This feature class for rivers. For rivers, I'm gonna keep it as polygon. Why I'm gonna give it as polygon? Because I need to consider not just the length, I need to consider the width also. If you check the width, it's very wide river, so you have to check both the length and the width. So we have the road in here, same, close this one, edit, go for start editing, and then go for editing, create features. We have rivers in here. So this is a polygon. You have to be more specific and very accurate, but for me I'm gonna make it fast, but for you have to make it very big, and then you have to scroll up and down. So if you miss any point, you can just, for example, you're missing here, just Ctrl Z from your keyboard, you come back. Okay, let's gonna finish it. For example, here we're back in this point, and you come back. You have to, because it's two-way, is very wide, and you have to make it like something bigger so you can check, so you can have, and here is not accurate, but for you can make it more accurate. You have to make you zoom in. If you zoom in, you can see it more clearly. And if I zoom in, it will take a lot of time and it will make the videos more boring. And use the arrow in your keyboard for moving right, left, up and down. It will help to do that. And tell you back to the first point, and then double click on that and we highlight it. And here we go. We just create your rivers, and you can use this river with another purpose. So if you check now, we have both the road and the river. You can use this one after cutting how to create your geodatabase in ArcGIS. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.